sorry if my voice is like this, because I just, So I escaped from class. The teacher is talking to a student right now, so teacher is not paying attention to most of us. My voice is like very low right now, you guys. I'm so sorry, because they might hear me. I'm on mute. So, these are the ingredients, guys. I need to name them really quick. So, here, these are carrots. They're orange. And here, these are Snoopy's, you guys, and they are green, just like bugs. And over here, we have green beans, and yes, green like that. And then, guys, onion leaves. I'm sorry, I'm very in a big rush. Break time is almost over. 3:30 is when our break time is over, you guys. We started 2 o'clock. And it's ending at 4 o'clock, so, yeah, I don't know if that's just a weird way for online classes, but here, anyways, you guys, what is this? And here, you guys, is celery. And here we have cabbage to make here. We have some cabbage here to make some salad, and my mommy has already steamed this. And here we have, I do not know why, chicken liver, but I do not know why they still look like chickens. I'm sorry, okay? But here we have onions. Here we have garlic there, and this is onions. And this is giant pancit, and this is small pancit. Bihon and Canton, they're just like pancit, and they're like, the bihon is green because it's malunggay flavor, and then they're also hard because they're not boiling yet. It's just, yeah, Oh my gosh, it is 3:28, you guys, so I need to go now. I need to go to, no, it's 3:29, I hear the teacher. I need to go, you guys.
Pag nagluluto ako ng ganito, hinuhugasan ko muna siya ng vinegar. Tapos nilagyan ko ng asin para matanggal yung kanyang malangsa. Tapos pinakuluan ko 3 minutes lang para lang matanggal yung subukan niyo para matanggal yung langsa niya. Guys, ito yung lulutuin ko ngayon. Chicken liver, green beans, green peas, snow peas, onions, garlic, carrots, onion leaves, celery, and cabbage. Magpapansit ako ngayon, guys. Ito yung bihon ko, guys. Bali, paghaluin ko lang yung bihon. Moringa. Ito yun siya. Itsura niya, oh. Moringa. And ito naman yung noodles ko. Yan. Paghaluin ko sila. Tapos ito yung soy sauce ko na gagamitin. Saka yung olive oil. And black pepper. Yan yung ingredients na akin pong lulutuin ngayon sa araw na ito. Okay guys, ang unang step na gagawin ko. Ito, nagpapakulo ako ng tubig. Kasi ilalagay ko lahat ng mga vegetables. Yung pinapakuluan ko sila, in-steam ko para hindi sila maging sagi. Next, ito na siya. Celery. Ay, oh. Yeah. Ano yung natin?
Why? It's us. It's almost like 12:30. What are they still there?
A few moments later.
Hi guys, ito na, continue na tayo sa ating pagluluto. Ito na, lagay na ako ng cooking oil. Tapos painitin lang natin to guys, yung mantika. Lagay muna natin ang garlic guys. Tapos haluin. Susunod na natin ang onions. Haluin lang natin guys hanggang mga ano siya. Pag medyo lumambot na siya. Next, ilalagay na natin itong liver. Chicken liver. Haluin lang natin guys. Lalagay na natin yung toyo. Next guys, ilagay na natin yung black pepper. Lagyan natin ang black pepper para manganghang ng konti. Lagay na natin guys. Ito yung sabaw kanina sa pinakuluan ng mga gulay. Ito yun siya. Hindi pa pala. Pag kumulo na siya guys, yan na natin, lagyan natin yung bihon. Next guys, ilalagay na natin itong ano, ilalagay na itong bihon. Haluin lang natin para maghiwalay-hiwalay yung ano. Hindi siya magdikit-dikit. Next guys, ilalagay na natin itong bihon, canton. Haluin lang natin to guys. Para ano. Yan. Takpan muna natin ang haluin na natin guys. Ayan na, lumambot lang. Ilalagay na natin yung mga gulay guys. Ito yung beans kanina. Ang celery. Celery. Tapos haluin lang natin. saka itong green peas, snow peas. Luto na sila guys kasi ni-steam ko na kanina. Tapos haluin lang natin guys. Gusto ni Charmaine, madaming gulay. Kaya pag nagpapansit ako, madaming gulay. Masarap kain kasi pag madaming gulay. Naman yung cabbage. Lang siya guys. Daming gulay, no? Gusto kasi namin gulay. Pero kung magluluto kayo, nasa inyo lang. Kung konti lang gulay. Kami kasi gusto namin madaming gulay. Ayan. Sarap. Siya guys, lalagay na natin itong onions, pampabango lang. Ayan, luto na siya guys. Ito na siya. Oh. Pancit. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it and enjoy my cooking. Yan, ang aking taga-tikim ay si Charmaine. Oh, ito na guys. Titikman natin ni Charmaine kung masarap ba o hindi. Pero masarap yan. Siyang taga-kain na yan. Ha? Tomorrow pa naman ito mapopost eh. Tapos, kasi ito ibibida. Sobra ata al. Linisin mo natin yung bacon.
Yum. Absolutely yummy. Guys, let's eat. It's my favorite thing. Yummy! Guys, you should really cook this. I really want you guys to cook this. A very cool vibe. My sister is making lots of noises right now. She's so cool like me. Cars, look at me. Now let's just continue eating. I forgot to pray. Dear God, thank you for this food. Amen. Right, I'm gonna squeeze this, you guys. I am so... Okay, guys. I think that's enough now. Start. Now it's time to eat it. Guys. Sound yummy. Guys, as you guys can see, we put up our Christmas decorations and our Christmas tree too, but you can't really see it. Anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comments, and give me a huge thumbs up and click the notification bell so you never miss any of our new videos. Bye!